In order to go to Dinagat Island, we need to come to Siargao city first and then take a boat. Wow, they say it is more fun in Dinagat Island too. Let's see if it is true or not. Before the part, we are praying as always. Travel time is around 1 hour 30 minutes depending on the speed of the boat. And now I am in Dinagat Island and the beautiful sunset was waiting for me. Hi everyone, I am in Dinagat Island in San Jose municipality. I am with beautiful ladies here. We will be taking a tour, island hopping tour with all these ladies. She hosted me today and then they are our friends. They will join with us today. Are you all excited?
Yes, we're excited.
Okay.
Yes,
we are,
sir.
Yeah, okay. We are all.
Yes,
Did you all
sir.
subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Yes.
Ah, okay, great. Then you are in. Okay, let's go. This is the boat we will be riding. We traveled more than 1 hour 30 minutes, and now we are in Pangabangan Beach, right? Pangabangan Beach. And then there is an entrance fee, 10 peso. Okay, that's okay. Suzy Marie says this place looks like a Palawan.
So we are here in Blue Lagoon.
Tara!
Tara, arat na!
Wow, it looks nice. This is Blue Lagoon.
So we are going upstairs to look the view of the Blue Lagoon. So come here. Let's go, guys. This is we called the Blue Lagoon.
Wow, that's
So can you see there in the
Dinagat
middle?
Island.
Oh, the Blue Lagoon in Libho that located in the province of Dinagat Island.
All right, let's enjoy the view. Finally, we are in Blue Lagoon. After riding more than 1 hour 30 minutes, I think, we are finally here in Blue Lagoon, our first stop in Dinagat Island. Blue Lagoon. Looks beautiful. We have another viewpoint of Blue Lagoon. It's interesting and beautiful. Many islands here. Wow, look at the sea. It's very clear. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, this is Blue Lagoon. It's really beautiful. This is Blue Lagoon. The sea is very clear, like crystal clear. This is the first lady who will swim here. Okay, Tara. I will follow you. Okay. Enjoy swimming. Really? Charot?
In Blue Lagoon, there's a lot of lato here.
Ah, okay. Our next destination is Isla Aga, which is a small island in the middle of the sea. We are now in our second stop, which is called
The Isla
Aga. Did you find it nice?
Yes, the view there
view is amazing.
Amazing.
Not that amazing, maybe, right? But it is nice. There is an old house here. This is the old house. Someone was living, I think, here, and then there is a toilet there too. So these are the ladies who are with me today. This is the other side of Isla Aga. It looks better. Come, come, come. This is the sexiest lady in our group.
We're here in a white sand in
White
Isla Aga.
sand of Isla Aga.
Yay!
I think there was a bridge here before, but now it is broken. We cannot go to the other side, but it looks nice.
Now we are going to Hak Hak rock formations.
Video, this is video. Go. Now I am in another place which is called Hagak Hak Rock Formations. Yeah, it is nice. It is really beautiful. Nice. It's nice. Look at these beautiful rock formations. I will fly drone here as well. You will see how beautiful it is from the air. My next stop is Bababo Beach, and there is also a lake here called Bababo Lake, right? Bababo Lake. There is entrance fee 10 peso to enter to that beach, and then there is another entrance fee to enter to the lake.
Now we will be going up to the Lake Bababu by climbing up to the mountain.
We already climbed 100 meters. Now 400 meters left to Lake Bababo. I am climbing like that. The view is nice. We made it to Lake Bababo. Exit to Bababo Beach is this way. Okay, now 300 meters left to Bababo Lake. Finally, 200 meters left. Hundred meters left. It's nice they have these ropes here helping us to go down and climb up safely and easily. Finally, here is the lake. She's the most brave lady. Wow. Go. Finally, I am in Lake Bababo. It looks beautiful, but I cannot fly drone here. Nice, it's nice. Let's watch around. There is a selfie lady here, selfie lover. Better than the other place. It's beautiful here. This is Kawasan Beach. It is nice. This is Duyos Beach. Duyos Beach. I hope there is no entrance fee here. Wow, look at that view. This is amazing. Such a beautiful landscape and such a beautiful view here. This is Dinagat Island. We are continuing to tour around with the motor and the view is beautiful. Look at that. Guys, we have just finished visiting Dinagat Island in one day with boat tour. I enjoyed it a lot. How about you? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah!
Okay, yeah, they enjoyed it a lot. Guys, these ladies have something to say to you.
Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel!
Yeah, okay, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!